Good morning, everybody. Uh, Today I'm gonna put something right here. My water heater doesn't work, and I ordered the part. It doesn't come in yet, so we don't have hot water. So what I did, we ordered this little thing right here. I guess you put everything on, and I guess the water's gonna come out hot on this thing right here. So this is gonna go right here, and then I'm gonna run the power to this. They use 110 volts. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, at least for until we get the part for the water heater. So temporarily we're gonna use this right now. So I'm gonna start this right now. Ready? Okay, so let's get it done. Well, look at it, it's already there. Now we got hot water. This little thing right here, it works just like a water heater. Depends on how you want, like high or low. It's right here. So basically this one works 110 volts. No gas, just power. I mean AC power. So I got water go in, and then they go out hot water right here. So it's right there. Got hot water already. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. This is just kind of like an emergency. We don't have hot water for a while because my water heater is not working. So I ordered the part, but it's gonna take a while. So temporarily I bought this one. So that way we got hot water. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. These things we can do already. Well, thank you everybody.